Understanding frigid waters, a dive into English phrases. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, frigid waters. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Frigid waters is a phrase used to describe water that is extremely cold. The word frigid itself means very cold in temperature, often uncomfortably so. This phrase is often used to describe seas, oceans, rivers, or any large body of water that is notably cold. It's a vivid expression that not only conveys the temperature of the water but also evokes a certain feeling or atmosphere. Let's look at some examples of how frigid waters can be used in sentences. The swimmer braved the frigid waters of the Arctic Ocean. Despite the frigid waters, the lake is popular for polar bear plunges. Fishermen often have to work in frigid waters during the winter months. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, always highlighting the extreme coldness of the water. Understanding phrases like frigid waters is crucial for English learners because it helps in comprehending context and emotional undertones in conversations and literature. This phrase is often used in descriptive writing, news reports, and daily conversation, making it a useful addition to your English vocabulary. Here are some similar phrases and synonyms you might encounter. Icy waters, chilled waters, freezing waters. Each of these phrases also describes very cold water, though they might have slightly different connotations. I hope this video has warmed up your understanding of the phrase, frigid waters. Remember, exploring such phrases enhances your grasp of the English language, making your communication more effective and vivid. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next linguistic adventure.